Hello guys. So if you watched the top 5 reasons why I love Denver, you know that we are staying in an awesome Airbnb. By we, I mean Steven and I are staying in an awesome Airbnb for our time here. We're only here for 3 nights and the place is super cute. So I wanted to give you a quick little look. So I'm gonna take you upstairs and show you a little bit around the place. So we are staying in a beautiful old Victorian home in the North Capitol Hill area in Denver, which is a really old, really nice homes. So this is where a lot of some of the wealthiest families back in the day, and I guess still, current day, live. It's a really nice area in terms of the homes. So like I was saying in the vlog about the 5 reasons why I love Denver, I love all of the old homes here. It really reminds me of the Elmwood Village. It's just such beautiful architecture. All of the homes are unique. Mostly all of them have some kind of garden or porch. It's just so beautiful. So we're staying on the 3rd floor of this old Victorian home, and it's just really nice and very spacious. So it is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom place. The bathroom is so cute. It has one of those clawfoot tubs, which is just so beautiful. And as you'll see around the place, there are these really beautiful gold radiators. It's just, the place has a really nice charm to it. It's really, it's not overly designed. If you guys saw the Airbnb tour vlog that I made with Jen in Austin, you know that we stayed at a great Airbnb. I'm a huge Airbnb supporter. Airbnb, please watch this and sponsor me, thanks. Jen and I stayed in this great Airbnb in Austin, Texas, but the thing about that Airbnb place was the design was just kind of a little over the top. So I have more of a minimalist preference and style in terms of design. So I really like the place, the way that they decorated this place. And as you can see, the 2 bedrooms are really spacious. There's a lot of natural light in this place. So I'm just so happy to be here. And also what's nice is it's in a this Airbnb is located in a somewhat walkable area. There are a few coffee shops and restaurants nearby. We were also able to walk to a natural grocery store nearby, which was nice. So whenever I am looking for Airbnbs when I'm traveling, I always look for a few things. The first thing, obviously, is how well the place is rated, and this place was rated really well. You always want to find a place, at least I think, that has at least more than 10 ratings, because then you can kind of guarantee that the place is good. If the place is brand new and there are only a handful of ratings, it's just not enough credibility yet, I think, built up. So I always look for a place with a lot of ratings, obviously high ratings. The one rating that I think you should pay the most attention to is the accuracy rating. Because here's the thing, is everyone that's putting their place up on Airbnb is gonna describe their place really nicely. You wanna make sure that the place actually is accurate in terms of how it's described in the description of the property. That actually is another thing in terms of the place in Austin, Texas that Jen and I stayed. We thought the place had kind of a full functioning kitchen, which it did not at all. So you want to make sure that the place is really well described in terms of the amenities that it has, just so that you know what you're getting into. And this place was definitely perfectly described, and it's a wonderful little place for a quick night stay. So I'm gonna link it down below in case you decide to come to the Denver area and are looking for a place to stay. Definitely recommend it. So check out the description box below for the link to the Airbnb, as well as the link, and I'll link it up here as well if you wanna watch the vlog that Jen and I made when we went to Austin. So thank you guys for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my doing little tours of Airbnbs that I'm staying at, definitely also give it a thumbs up or let me know in the comments below, because I'll be sure to continue doing it. And be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And until next time, see ya.